Hi, welcome back to another episode with Cooking David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good chocolate candy with pistachios and chopped up pecans. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, you want a cup and a half of chocolate chips with 3 tablespoons of butter already in there. This is sugar-free chocolate chips. Okay, I'm going to use a dash of peanut butter. Not a whole lot, but a little. About like that. We'll come back. Okay, I just turned the stove on, so we're going to have to let this melt. I got it on a small saucepan, well, medium saucepan with water under the thing, so the steam will help melt the chocolate. This is the best way to melt chocolate, so you don't burn the chocolate, and it'll turn it liquefy. And the peanut butter just to help give a little bit of peanut butter flavor with it, with the chocolate. I had something else I wanted to add with this. Now I wanted to add a tiny bit of honey. I'm just going to squirt a few drops in there to help give it some more flavor. Honey is good for you. Okay, starting to melt a little bit, and that's good. It's a good deal. We'll kind of give us a stir. Kind of just finished melting all over, but you can see it's getting perfectly. The first part of it, you don't want to stir it until you get it all the way, you know, pretty much melted. It's almost ready. Okay, what we want to do now is first thing, let me get this fixed. Okay, that's pretty much melted. Okay, I want to put in some pistachio. And you want that crunch in there. By the way, this is optional. You can put any kind of nuts you want in there. I'm putting really tiny pecans to go with the pistachios. Alright, I'm going to stir this real good and come back. Okay, we're going to pop this into the refrigerator, let this harden up. Then we're going to come back and we're going to cut it down. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. We got finished with this. Look at that. Ain't that delicious looking? Taste that peanut butter inside of it. Flavor is good. I want to thank you all for watching. If you ain't subscribed already, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos, and hit that notification so you'll be notified of new videos. Y'all have a great day.